Guys, welcome back to another video, another vlogmas video. So it is 7:41 right now and we are heading to KFC to do a review. I've never tried American KFC, so I'm gonna get some and I'll do a review to see, because I'm seeing videos on other Jamaicans are saying that it's not that bad as people say. So I'm gonna get some and see if it's okay or if it's so as they're saying. Guys, welcome back to another video. We just got back from KFC. I have a Pepsi, I have this mashed potato thing, and a coleslaw and the fries. I started eating the fries in the car. The fries is not bad. I think I will give the fries 8 out of 10. I love coleslaw in Jamaica. I love KFC coleslaw in Jamaica, honestly. I'm gonna try this one. It's not bad. I will give it an 8 as well. One thing that surprised me with the KFC here, they don't have barbecue zinger. I don't think they have barbecue anything. Alright, the mashed potato thing. Don't like it. Don't like it. That is a 0 for me. Alright, so what I got was the crispy. I also have a biscuit. I'm gonna taste the biscuit. Give the biscuit 6 out of 10. Hope I'm not being too harsh in my review. What do you think, Xavier?
I think you're okay.
I think I'm okay. Not too harsh. The chicken is the crispy. They didn't have any spicy. And as I said, no barbecue. They didn't have any Thai, so I could only get 2 breasts and a leg, or I can get a breast, leg, and a wing. So I got 2 breasts and a leg. Alright, let me try the chicken. Moment of truth. I'm just getting the crispy part. It's not bad, you know. It's not bad. It just don't have any. To me, it don't have any seasoning there. To me, it don't have any seasoning.
In a season like what you used to.
No, I'm not saying like what we used to, but it just not taste seasoned to me. Come try it.
You know what's gonna happen now. Zaya, don't want some.
What do you think about the fries?
Fries just better than the one in Jamaica.
The fries is better than Jamaica?
To me.
Alright, here's the coleslaw.
Of course, okay.
Yeah, it's okay to me too. There's a biscuit.
I don't know what to say about the biscuits.
I want to taste the mashed potato thing?
No.
Why not? Why not? Give it a try. Give it a try, man. Cause me taste it.
No.
0 for me. Try the chicken.
That tastes like them. This tastes like they mix the potato up and then put a sauce on top of it.
No flavor, no nothing.
You know, why these chickens so big?
The breasts?
Chicken need more seasoning.
Exactly, same thing. I'm not saying the chicken don't fry. It's not fried properly. You know, it just need more seasoning because if it had more seasoning, it would be great.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. If it had more seasoning, it would have been so good. So guys, the chicken wasn't bad, but it just needs seasoning. The coleslaw is good, but I liked it. This mashed potato thing, 0 to 10. I don't like it. And the fries is good. Like the rest of the fries taste better than the one in Jamaica.
I think so. Zaya thinks so too, even though she
Zaya
don't
did
taste
not
it.
eat any. So why would she think that?
That's what I'm saying, even though she didn't taste it. She's excited.
Oh guys, I'm gonna get back to you in a minute.
Kiss mama. Kiss mama. Yeah, fellow.
Guys, I've just ate some of the KFC and I should say that I am disappointed. Well, I shouldn't be disappointed because people been talking about this for years now. I don't know if Xavier said I should have gotten a spicy. But I didn't hear when the guy said spicy. So I think I'm gonna try it again and try the spicy. So I'm gonna close out the video here, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little video. This is the review of the KFC. I'm not gonna say it's bad, but I've had better. Thank you guys for watching.